So this is the Snore Medic device that I received in the mail. It came in this box right here. It's a small box, and we're going to open it up now and see what we have. Okay, so we have here this small box right here, Snore Medic. It looks like there are some kind of warnings, information on the back. I'll open it up here. So it comes, here's an instruction booklet, and in here is the actual device. So it comes in a nice little nice packaging, and let's see what we have. Open this up, and in here we have our mouthpiece. I'm used to receiving more, like usually there'll be a bigger box with more going on, but you don't need that much. And the packaging is nice, where you have your box inside, you have this little case, in here you have this mat, which actually feels like quality. It really does. We're going to test it out now. We're obviously going to have to boil up some hot water and create the mold with my teeth. But from right now, based on what I'm seeing right now, this actually seems like it's made from some nice material. And this is going to be the air holes right here. And that's really it. So if you look at the instructions, there's not that much. Pretty much basic instructions, how to do the custom fitting, the procedure, some warnings, some cleaning instructions, and that's it.